It's me, Amora, and Aaliyah. And if I'm having a great day, you should be having a great day. So let's have some fun. So as you see, we open up our early Christmas gift. And this is Aaliyah. This is making noise. So Aaliyah is excited and anxious to open it. Well, I'm going to pick which one because it's hard. Do I want that one or that one? I want this. This man, Aaliyah. Can we open it now? Aaliyah, go open yours.
Bring hers over there towards you.
Rip it out.
All right, you guys. Welcome to Amora and Nana Fun Times channel. They're so excited. I always normally let them open a pre-Christmas gift, and they're really ready to open this. So I'm going to let them go ahead and open it. I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas season. So let's have some fun. All right, you guys, go ahead. Oh, what is it?
Whoa. Open
What is it? Help her, somebody.
Aaliyah! Look what you got! Ooh. Look what you got! Oh, that's so pretty.
Turn her around, somebody, so they can see her. So we can see Aaliyah's face. Turn around.
Aaliyah.
Turn her around.
She don't want to.
Bring the toy in front of her, baby.
This is cute. Want me to open it, Aaliyah? Wait. Gotta open it.
You probably need a knife to get it out the box.
Gotta go get scissors. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have to go get the scissors because it got zip ties. Ooh. It's trying to move. Minnie, stop moving!
If you're touching the bow, it's going to move, baby.
Okay.
That's Minnie ride and skate.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, why? How is this little itty bitty toy so complicated?
Aaliyah!
I bet she has to.
They're trying to get this open, guys. Oh, Mora's trying to get this open for Aaliyah. Leah's like, come on, y'all, hurry up and get it out. I want to play with her.
Aaliyah, I'm trying. It's zipped. Oh my god. Oh, thank you.
Look at Leah just throwing stuff around.
Where's the scissors? Aaliyah, it's gonna be out the box. Okay, Minnie. Okay, I get it.
You got it?
Ow. How did they tie this? It won't cut. Thank you. Now I gotta cut this part.
What did you open up, Amora? Show them your gift.
A cotton candy machine.
Oh my gosh! So you guys can make, so you can make cotton candy.
Wait, Aaliyah, wait. Wait, Aaliyah.
What are you trying to do, somebody?
Cut this.
What you trying to cut?
This little part, not that part, but
You trying to get the doggy out?
yes.
Just leave him in there. Put it on the floor in the kitchen. It ain't probably it's not gonna roll. Yeah, come on, put it over here then. It's probably not gonna roll around in the kitchen. Yeah, look at that.
Now, guys, I'm gonna open mine since Leah got a chance to open hers. Ow! Man, look. Man, can I open mine now? Ah! Ow.
What do you have, somebody?
A cotton.
Don't tear up your box, baby,
I
so
saw
you
this
can
on
put your
YouTube. I
stuff.
really wanted this too. Like,
Okay, don't tear up your box so you can put your stuff back in there.
okay, I didn't tear it up. Here's that. And
So
here's-
you have a cotton candy maker. Show it up to the camera.
Yeah, I gotta take everything out. Everything that came out? Yeah, that's everything that came out, guys. No. Ooh. They come with the sticks.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, the sticks to stick the cotton candy on there. Okay, I have some I have some sugar in the kitchen. Oh, look at that. They light up.
No, only one does. I'm using this one.
Okay.
Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, there's nothing else in here. I actually want to take the cotton candy machine out.
It comes basically almost already assembled. And what you got to do, we're just going to rinse it out and then clean it out real good. No, no, no. You have to supply your own sugar, or you buy extra the different colors like the blue, the red, the pink, or whatever.
No,
We
just
have to
gonna
go
use
to the
white.
store. Well, I know we can use white, baby, but I'm
gonna try it out
saying.
right now.
Guys, you see what's trouble, family. You see I'm in trouble now. Nana's in trouble for letting my grands open up a pre-Christmas gift. Look at Aaliyah. She's fascinated by this mini.
How do you fit this in? Can you help me? Whoa. It's like I can't fit it in. How do you put this in? Like, I really.
Look at your instructions.
Wait.
Everything comes with instructions, sweetheart. Basically, everything is together. Only thing we have to do is put the sugar in there and start winding the cotton candy.
You gotta go to your Nana. Yeah.
All right, you guys, this is the girls opening up a pre-Christmas Day gift. I hope your Christmas is blessed and have a happy new year. Let's see, Christmas is here. We're glad to see, well, I'm happy to see another Christmas year. And as always, be wonderfully blessed by our King on today. Say, tell them you'll see them later, somebody.
I'll see you later.
Look up.
I'll see you later.
All right, you guys, be wonderfully blessed.